think I was like her I just stopped watching.
You just be like her because you can tell when people bleach. Yeah, I've seen that. Who tried to snitch on you?
The lady, I got that big stuff. When I asked her and call my cousin, because you know that's my favorite cousin, and I don't want to have to like be like I said, I want to be a friend of I don't want to be so heartbroken. You got to do this.
I'm a lucky person. Thank you. What makes me lucky? Installing wigs. Appa, yip yip. Yip yip. Huh? Oh, no. That's a new one? I think you told me about that.
It's a good show.
Got the kick.
You always try to have. You still gotta take it. Why you gotta take it? When did you gonna take it? You gotta be careful, bro. Cause baby, there's no lace to be found. Bro, I did that. Look. Can you see me? Oh, you was look. Oh, you can see me the whole time. Cause where's the fucking lace? It's nowhere to be found. It's giving. Nigga, you said what? You always trying to ruin some shit. It looks like I got caught at the Chinese store. It looks like I got caught with a Chinese store. Okay, I'll take that. Yes. Yeah, I'm hollering. You are funny for that. I'm about to add Holla in here. You hear me? Mana. Guys, this is how I install my wig. I was contemplating on if I should do baby hair or not. I'm not really feeling baby hair, so I'm gonna just do like a natural looking look. Oh my god. This is so really cute. But I hope this process is gonna help you beginners who's also trying to get into installing their own wig. You can save a lot of money. But the only time I get it installed by a hairstylist is for a special occasion. So if it's just something, you know, I'm trying to look cute, I have nowhere to go, I'll install my own wig. I was saying I'm gonna add Holla, okay? Oh, Mana! I'm here. Run into my car.
And I got this wig